Okay, so we're going to do an update on where I'm up to with the LaneLights. What I've got set up here is the console, the spool of about 100 meters of figure 8 cable, the receiver board with its antenna, and two sets of lane boards connected on the other end of this cable. When the power turns on, you'll see a couple of things. First of all, the console will run through a quick self-test, so it'll just turn on each of the lights in turn and a quick beep to say that it's ready and operating. So I'll turn that on now, and you can see that's the console. It's ready to go. The lane receiver board is flashing to indicate that it's actually receiving an update from the console. So that's a periodic transmit. And the two lane lights, we've only got the two boards, but there will be more, of course. They flash once for each number for the lane. So lane 1 will flash once, lane 2 will flash twice, etc. So I'll turn the power on again, and you'll see the two boards identifying. Okay, so we've got lane 3 and lane 2. Setting the board identification is really easy. All you need is a screwdriver or a paper clip, anything that's conductive. The first 5 seconds when the power turns on, the boards have an opportunity to go into setup mode, and that's achieved simply by jumpering the configuration pins. So I'll jumper that. The red light has come on to say it's in setup mode. That was 1 flash, lane 2, lane 3. Wait for 5 seconds, the red light will go out, it will confirm the number 1, 2, 3. If we don't want lane 3, go back into setup mode. That's 1, that's 2, so this will be now set for lane 2. 1, 2. We can do the same thing for the other lane. We'll set it for lane 1. It's currently set for 3. Setup, lane 1, that's all we need. Confirms it's on lane 1. So, operation, lane 1, orange lights come on, the indicator is flashing rapidly to say that it's in warning mode. Now again, goes into a solid red light, and the indicator is now in red. A third press turns it off. Same thing for lane 2. First press, rapid flashing, orange. Second press, red, solid. Third press, lane 1 and lane 2. The reset can be done manually, so we've got a manual clear. There's also an input for remote reset, that the application of 3 to 20 volts will apply the reset button. While the reset is applied, the reset light will be on so that it's obvious that it's in reset mode, remote reset mode, and the lane lights are all locked out, so you can't inadvertently put a lane into to warning or fault mode. That's basically all there is to it. It has got a 5-minute or about 5-minute shutdown, so if you were to put the lights on and leave them on, after 5 minutes it will turn them off for battery saving. The lane nodes themselves, if they stop receiving a signal from the console after a short period of time, they will go blank to indicate that they're not receiving reliable data. Yeah, that's basically all there is to it.